How can we end poverty and create justice? Introducing Zakat and Microfinance by Dr. Hussain. This book merges Islamic values and modern economics seamlessly. Zakat system can empower individuals, families, and communities when managed well. It becomes a tool for sustainable growth and development. Dr. Hussain provides a practical plan for an inclusive economy. By combining charity with financial mechanisms, we create lasting change. Imagine small businesses thriving through effective zakat distribution. Visualize women entrepreneurs lifting their families out of poverty. This isn't just theory, it's an actionable plan for all. Zakat and Microfinance reshapes our understanding of charity. It shows us how to spark community progress and economic independence. Don't miss out on this insightful guide. Get your copy today and transform charity into empowerment. Zakat and Microfinance is available now from Minhaj Publications, www.minhaj.biz, and WhatsApp 009232243844066.